Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're going to be doing an install of CentOS8 in VMware Fusion for the Mac. This tutorial is going to be centered more around for beginners. I'm going to be making it as easy as possible. We also have a text tutorial that you can find in the description. There will be a link to it. But let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing we want to do is download an ISO file of it. This link will be in the description. It is centos.org/download. You will begin by clicking CentOS Linux DVD ISO. And that will bring you to this page. You want to select one of the following mirrors that are in your region. You can select any one of them. They may not download very quickly. Go ahead and pause the video, and when yours is done, come back. Alright, so mine is downloaded right here. I'm going to go ahead and open my downloads in Finder, and we'll put it up over here. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and open VMware Fusion, and we will begin installing the OS. So you want to click this little plus up here in the top left-hand corner and click New. That will bring up this screen, and you want to take and drag your CentOS ISO into VMware. Yours will probably only show one of these. Just go ahead and make sure CentOS is selected and hit continue. And this part is very important. You want to make sure you deselect Use Easy Install. If you don't do this, the installation will fail and you will be stuck in a very confused state for quite some time. I've been there. Make sure you deselect Use Easy Install. After that, we can hit continue. It'll just show you the basic information. Hit finish, and you can select where you want to store your virtual machine. I have mine on an external hard drive. Go ahead and click save, and it will begin the install process. It'll bring up to this screen. It'll automatically boot in 57 seconds into test this media and install. You want to click install CentOS Linux 8 using the arrow keys and the return key. If you need to, for some reason, get out of the VMware screen while it's doing this, go ahead and hit Control and Command together, and it'll bring your mouse pointer back out. Once it goes through all of this, it will eventually open up into a language select screen. I'll go ahead and speed this up so you guys can see what it looks like. Alright, so here's the language selection screen. You can go ahead and click whatever, find your language. I'm doing English and English United States. Click continue. And it will bring up the next screen eventually. There we go. So everything on here will be automatically selected. You don't need to change anything except for we need to go to installation destination. Just click on it and it should automatically bring up the virtual drive for VMware. Go ahead, click done, and just like that, you are ready to begin the installation. Go ahead and click begin installation. And while it is installing, we want to go ahead and select a root password. Go ahead and put whatever you would like. Select done. And then we will go into user creation. We'll go ahead and make an account for ourselves. You can name it whatever you want, and then go, if you'd like to, you can make yourself an administrator. And then select your password. After we've done that, go ahead and click done. And now we just wait for the install to complete. I'm going to go ahead and I'll speed this up. You can go ahead and pause the video if you'd like or skip ahead. This will take some time. It's a good time to go to the bathroom, grab a drink, anything like that, and come back when it's done. Alright, so now that it's done, you want to go ahead and hit reboot. And the virtual machine will restart. might take a second for the first time. Be patient with it and it will pop up. There we go. So the next thing you want to do is you're gonna accept the license. Go ahead and click there, hit I accept, and then hit done, and finish configuration. Just like that, it'll restart one more time, and we'll bring you up to a login screen. We'll see that in just 1 second. And there we go. You can go ahead and log in. And it might take it a second to bring up the desktop. Just, again, be patient. And once you get in here, it's usually a little bit slow. It'll bring up a welcome screen. There it is. We're going to go ahead and you'll just go ahead and go through this. So English is my language I chose. Typing, English US. You can choose whether or not you want to allow location services. And then connect any accounts you'd like. I'm not going to connect any right now, so I'm going to go ahead and just hit skip. And you are good to go. So, and then it'll bring up just an about everything. You can go ahead and go through this if you'd like to. I'm not going to right now. I'm going to close that, and then we're going to go ahead and shut down the virtual machine for the next part. Now that it's shut down, you want to go up here to the little wrench icon, click that, and it will bring up the settings. The settings we want to change is in processors and memory. I normally go ahead and check 4 processor cores. You can pick, yours it may be different. I just normally do the middle one. And then I give mine 4,000 and if I can get it. Oh, it's this way. 4,096 megabytes of RAM, which is 4 gigabytes. And then that's all that I normally change in here. You can go ahead and look through these if you'd like to. For getting it up and running smoothly, this is all you need to change. So then we can start it back up. And it'll boot up to your login screen again. There we go. Go ahead and log in again. Now you are ready to use your virtual machine. Right now everything will function as is. You can hit command and it brings up the activity screen as well as just activities up here. You can open terminal, whatever you need to do. And if you plan on browsing the web at all or doing anything connected to the network wise, you'll want to click the power icon right here and hit wired off and then hit connect. You may need to do this every time to get it set up, but it goes right through your host machine, so just click those 2 buttons and you're set up and ready to go. So now you have a completely installed new OS. You're ready to start exploring Cent. Go ahead and look through everything and start messing around. Thank you for watching. I hope this has been informative. Let me know what I could have done better, anything like that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.